Hello people and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you about all the necessary details of a trading platform. In this video, I will tell you about all the necessary benefits which this platform can provide you in the coming future. So watch the complete video so that I can explain you the calculations and all the details and benefits properly. So if we talk about this company, so the name of this platform or this company is Bullchain and its official website is bullchains.com. So first of all, before going through the business plan of this company, let us know about what is digital or cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency which is secured by cryptography, which makes it almost impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Also, many cryptocurrencies are decentralized network based on blockchain technology. Along with this, one of its most special feature is that it cannot be issued by the central authority. So after this, if we talk about blockchain, so blockchain is a system of recording information. It records the information in such a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat their system. So friends, now I want to give you some necessary information about Bullchain. So here, Bull is a token which is built on the Tron blockchain technology and its total supply is 1000 million. So friends, if I talk about the special feature of this Bull token, so it is going to become the most used token for gaming and robotics product. Because of this reason, it will be in great demand in the coming future, due to which it will hold a good value. So friends, now if we talk about the detailed distribution of bulls, so here as I told you, the total supply of this bull token is 1000 million. Out of which 100 million goes for the development and 100 million goes for the promoters. After this, the remaining 800 millions, from this 800 million, 400 million is for sale and 400 million is for gifting it to the holders. Now if we talk about the price of the bull, so here the starting price of one bull is 0.3 TRX. After that, for every 100 bulls which are bought, the price will increase by 0.0001. And for every 100 bulls which are sold, the price will fall by 0.00005. So like this will give the price always in ascending order and people will be holding it more. So friends, now after all this stuff, let us now directly talk about the business plan of the company. So here, if we talk about the registration of the company, so in this platform you can register yourself by using the Bull tokens, which you can easily find on the TronLink Pro wallet. So now let me tell you about the packages and its benefit. So here the company provides you a package of 1000 bull which you can purchase, and with that you will get an instant gift of 1000 bull directly in your assets. After that, if we talk about the joining, so here the joining is on the basis of single leg. That means every joining will be placed in a single line. Moreover, they will be compressed, means override earning according to the packages and sponsoring. So after this, now let us talk about the distribution here. So here any package will be distributed 100% to the system, in which 50% is for the community level and 50% is for the sponsoring level. Once you register yourself here, after that you can get 3 types of income from here. So let us first talk about the community income. So here 50% of the package will be distributed, in which it goes 30 level to the up and 20 levels to the down. 1% in each level is distributed. Also, here in down level, the payment will be at hold till the community joins here. Now after community income, if we talk about the sponsoring income, so here 50% of package will be distributed to the sponsors and up level like this. In level 1 it will be 20%, level 2 10%, in level 3 and level 4 it will be 3% each, in level 5 10%, and in level 6 and level 7 it will be 2% and 2% each. So friends, along with these two incomes, the company has also added one more type of income, which is the reinvestment club income. So here, on the basis of directs done by you, you get the club income from here. So here on doing 5 direct sponsors, you get 2% of club income. On doing 10 direct sponsors, you get 3% of club income. And on doing 15 direct sponsors, you get 5% of club income from here. Here, the 10% of reinvestment income will be distributed in the club. So after this, let me tell you about the detailed calculation of the sponsoring level here. So here, from total 7 levels, you can get your 50% income from the sponsoring level. So here in level 1, if you have total 5 users working under you, and if we take an average calculation of 100 bull which your team reinvests, so total will be 500 bull, from which 20% will be provided to you, so that your daily income will become 100 bull. Similarly in level 2, when you have total users 25 and you get 100 bull from them each, so total will be 2500 bull, from which 10% will be provided to you, and your daily income will be 250 bull. Similarly in level 3, when you have total users 125 and you get 100 bull from them each, so the total will be 12,500 bull, out of which 3% will be provided to you, so that your daily income will become 375 bull. After this, you enter in level 4, and when the total number of users is 625 and you receive 100 bull from them each, so the total will be 62,500 bull. From this, 3% will be provided to you and your daily income will be 1875 bull. After that, in level 5, when 3125 is your total number of users and you get 100 bull from them each, so the total will be 3,12,500 bull. Out of this, 10% will be provided to you, so that the daily income amount become 31,250 bull. After this, you enter in level 6, where the total number of users is 15,625, and when you receive 100 bull from them each, so the total will become 15,62,500 bull. Out of this amount, 2% will be provided to you, so that the daily income amount become again 31,250 bull. After that, you enter in the last level, that is the level 7, in which if you have the total users 78,125 and when you receive 100 bull from them each, so the total amount will be 78,12,500 bull. Similarly, 2% will be provided to you, so that your daily income amount will become 1,56,250 bull. So like this, from all 7 levels, your total percentage will be 50%, and if we calculate the total income which you get from sponsoring level, so it will be around 2,21,350 bull daily. So friends, along with this, there are some conditions for withdrawal as well as for reinvestment. Like on the package of 1000 bull, you can withdraw 40% of the amount and rest 60% goes for reinvestment. Similarly, after selling in exchange, the gifted token you can withdraw directly in your assets or in your wallet. So friends, in this video I provided all the necessary details about this amazing plan. If you have understood the complete calculations of this plan clearly or carefully, then you must know that what will be the extreme amount of benefit which you can get in the coming future from this plan. So if you also want to have a great benefit and great profit from this plan, so you can join yourself as soon as possible with this plan. For joining or registration, you can directly contact on the details given in the description, or else you can visit their website, which is bullchains.com. Thank you.